Hey teachers, very quickly, I wanted to shoot you a video to help you with the math cut-ups. So for some reason, the digital math cut-ups that we're using in the Summit lessons um, aren't always working properly. Some of the students are having no problem, and some of the students are being asked to ask for access. So the program is the resource is locked and they're having to, email for access. We don't want students emailing for access because the owner of that resource is not with GPISD. We purchased that resource outside of the district. So we do have the copyrights to utilize these, but we are not the owner of the files. So let me show you what we have done to help you with this. If you go down to the teacher support page, you may have to import your teacher page again because this has been added on Monday. This was added on Monday. So if you haven't updated your course since Monday, you might want to re-import or copy this page over again so that you have all the updated pieces to it. So if you scroll down, you'll see Math Cut-Ups teacher links. If you're not seeing Math Cut-Up teacher links, that means you need to update this one page. Once you have this page, click on the image. So here is a table with all of the Math Cut-Ups and new links to use. What we did is we went into the owner's original Google file. We made copies of all of the activities, put them in our Google file, and then created these links from that. So there should not be a problem with students getting into these resources now. And at least now, if they are asked for access, we will get that email and not the owner of the resource. So again, let me show you how to do this. We're going to click there for copy. And so if you notice that there is a link up in the address bar with copy at the end, copy that link and then go into the module where that Math Cut-Ups is. So I'm going to go into module 2. And we'll go here. I believe there's a cut-ups on this page. Right there, integer operations. So I'm going to click edit. Let it load. Okay, so here's this cut-ups. I'm going to remove that link. See how it's outlined in blue? That means that is still the active image. I'm going to go up here to my links, add an external link. I've already copied the link I want to add. Now I simply paste it, make sure that says copy, and click done. Don't forget to scroll all the way to the bottom and save. So what you have done is you have removed the original Math Cut-Ups link and you have replaced it with the Grand Prairie ISD link for this resource. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please reach out to any of the strategists. Thank you.